Good evening, everyone. So, welcome to my YouTube channel in Math Subject. So, today we are going to see sixth lecture on groups. So, in this lecture, we will show that cancellation laws holds in group. Cancellation laws are of two types: left cancellation law or right cancellation law. So, cancellation law holds in group means both the cancellation law holds left or right, both left and right both. So, I'm writing a program. Let G be a group and A, B, and C belongs to G. If AB is equal to AC, then B is equal to C. This rule is called left cancellation law. Cancellation law. Okay. Now, if and BA is equal to CA, then B is equal to C. This is called right cancellation law. So, what is the meaning of these two statement? These two. I am combining writing these two statements by saying that cancellation law holds in a group. Cancellation law includes both the law, left and right. Okay. So cancellation law holds in group. Okay. So let's see. Let's do. So let A B is equal to AC. Now taking, so operating both the sides by A inverse from left. So operating both the sides by A inverse from the left, what will get? A inverse AB is equal to A inverse. So we can write, do not need to write bracket here. This is A inverse AC. Now by associative property, what we can write? We can write it A inverse A. Or here again using associative property, we can write. But A inverse A is identity, so we can write B. So A inverse A is identity. Okay. So what is this? This is C. So you are operating identity with B element, so you will get B. Similarly, here you will get C. So what we have? So this implies, therefore, AB is equal to AC implies B is equal to C. So left cancellation law holds in group C. Okay. or you can write in a group. Okay. Now next BA is equal to CA. So operating both the sides by A inverse on the right. We get BA inverse is equal to CA inverse. So by associative property, again you can write like that. Okay. So what is A inverse? A is identity. So this implies this is identity. This is identity. So what you will get, because E is identity, you will get B and you will get C here. Therefore, BA is equal to CA implies B is equal to C. So write cancellation. Law. Write cancellation law holds in a group. Okay. Since left and right both cancellation laws holds in a group, we conclude that cancellation law holds in a group. Cancellation law means we are commonly writing it. It includes left and right both. So it is true. So today's lecture of this, if you have any problem related to this, you can comment on my YouTube channel. Like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you very much for today's lecture. Thank you very much.